video is part of my slow motion series. I'm going to demonstrate make one stitches, both make one right and make one left. If you'd like to see my regular speed motion make one video, I'll go ahead and give you a link to that right here. Just click the little eye in the upper right hand corner. I will also give you a link to my entire slow motion playlist. And I'm putting these videos together because even though I have videos out at regular motion speed, these slow motion videos are really helpful for very visual learners. I'm getting great feedback, so I'll keep putting the videos out along with regular speed videos too. Before we get into the slow-mo, I want to say one thing because this question comes up all the time. If a pattern doesn't tell you whether you need to work a right or a left, which one do I work? And the answer is it's knitter's choice at that point. If a pattern just says make one without saying M1L or M1R, you can do whichever one you like better. Whenever I'm given that choice, I always pick make one left. I think they're a little bit easier to work, but it's totally up to you. I'm going to demonstrate both of them here. Let's go ahead and go slow-mo. I'm going to start by knitting a few stitches. Since make one stitches don't work on the very edge stitch, they work one stitch in, but I'm going to go ahead and knit a few. I'm going to start with a make one left. And because I'm more coordinated with my right hand, I'm going to pick up the bar between the two stitches with my right needle and then put the left needle in there from front to back. I want to get my right needle into the back loop of that stitch. And I did that by entering it in the front loop of the stitch, the front leg of the stitch, and rolling it over. Now I'm going to knit another stitch and work another make one left, pulling that bar up between the two stitches. Left needle in from front to back, put my right needle in the front loop of that stitch and then roll it over the top until it's in the back loop of the stitch. Another knit stitch. And this time it's a make one right. Pull the bar up and put the left needle in from back to front. And now I'm going to knit through the front loop of the stitch. You can see here why this isn't my favorite of the two make ones. It's hard to get my needle in there, in the front loop of the stitch. Knit one between. I'm going to try to make it a little easier on myself with this make one right. Pull up the bar between the two stitches, put my left needle in from back to front, and this time I'm going to use my left index finger to create some slack on that stitch. A bit easier to get my needle in. Another knit stitch. Now we can take a look. Nice invisible increases, nearly invisible. Make one stitches are usually, everyone agrees, they're probably the most invisible increase that you can make. So if you want to, you can always substitute these in for other increases if you want it to look as smooth and as least disruptive to the fabric as possible. You can always do these. Again, links to my regular speed make one video and the playlist of all my slow-mo videos just by clicking the little eye in the upper right hand corner. Good luck.